In 223 AH, 838 AD, the Byzantine Empire stood as a formidable adversary to the Abbasid state, with incessant conflicts marking their turbulent relationship. Amidst these skirmishes, a harrowing incident transpired. A Muslim woman was captured by Byzantine forces and suffered brutal treatment at the hands of the Byzantine governor in the powerful fortress city of Amorium in Asia Minor. In her darkest hour, amidst tortures designed to bring humiliation and instill terror, she gazed skyward and bellowed from the depths of her agony, "O Mutasima! O Mutazim, where are you?" A poignant plea directed towards the Abbasid Caliph al-Mutazim, celebrated for his valor and declaration that the Romans would not be allowed to mistreat a Muslim. Her cry reverberated through tales and missives, eventually reaching the ears of the Caliph in Baghdad. It is recounted that al-Mutazim, upon hearing the distress call, rose in fiery determination, declaring, "At your service. By God, I will do you justice or die trying." In fervent response, he ordered the assembly of an immense army, numbering over 80,000, and embarked on the arduous march from Baghdad to Amorium, rallying under the banner, "Leave no injustice unpunished." The formidable Abbasid forces navigated vast deserts and mountainous terrains, halting before the impregnable walls of Amorium, a city so fortified that none had dared to besiege it. The city withstood a relentless 55-day siege, its walls hammered by catapults and its defenses systematically dismantled. The Byzantine Emperor Theophilos dispatched reinforcements to thwart the Abbasids, but al-Mutazim's strategy and might prevailed, securing a decisive victory prior to their arrival. Upon breaching Amorium's defenses, al-Mutazim vowed to seek justice for the captured woman. He located her alive and confronted the governor responsible for her torment. In righteous anger, he denounced, "How dare you torture a defenseless woman?" The governor met his end as decreed by al-Mutazim, who also liberated all Muslim captives. Addressing his triumphant troops, al-Mutazim underscored the sanctity of dignity. "This is the dignity of a Muslim. If it is violated, the revenge will be greater." The victorious returned to Baghdad, laden with the spoils of war, symbolized not only a military conquest, but an indelible testament that a single cry of oppression possesses the power to unsettle tyrants' thrones. O Mutasima has since transcended its origin, epitomizing pride and unyielding dignity, reminding the world that justice cannot be eluded. So do not wrong yourselves therein. At Taba 36.